Have you ever wondered how to make your indoor plants more eye-catching? Today, we dive into the world of creative potted plant displays, exploring how these can improve air quality, enhance your decor, and create a positive ambiance. Stay tuned as we guide you through the process of creating your unique potted plant display. First things first, selecting a plant that suits your style and environment is crucial. Consider light requirements, watering needs, and growth habits. Think about the plant's size and shape, and how it'll fit into your display. Remember, the plant you choose will be the star of your display, so choose wisely. Now let's talk about the supporting cast, the pot and accessories. Picking a pot that complements your plant is crucial. Different materials offer unique advantages. And don't forget accessories. Pebbles, moss, or decorative figures can really enhance your display. With a suitable pot and some well-chosen accessories, your plant display will start to take shape. It's time to bring it all together and create your potted plant display. Start by considering the viewing angle, then arrange your plant, pot, and accessories for visual appeal. Remember to leave room for growth. With some creativity and patience, you can create a potted plant display that is both beautiful and functional. There you have it, a simple guide to creating your unique potted plant display. Remember, experiment with different plants, pots, and accessories to truly make it your own. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative and inspiring plant ideas. Happy planting!